Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Fluctus Channel. In its enduring mission to safeguard a global maritime presence, the United States Navy has continually pushed the boundaries of innovation and operational excellence. Driven by the imperative to shield its most formidable vessels, the Navy employs a host of cutting-edge strategies and technologies to ensure dominance on the high seas. Today, we delve into the advanced measures taken to defend the Navy's largest and most vital warships. The United States Navy commands a fleet of the world's most formidable warships, including the Nimitz class and the next-generation Gerald R. Ford-class aircraft carriers, icons of unmatched maritime power projection. Towering over 1,000 feet in length and displacing nearly 100,000 tons, these colossal vessels function as mobile air bases. Equipped with state-of-the-art aviation facilities capable of supporting sustained combat operations anywhere in the world. At the heart of their dominance lies an integrated aircraft carrier weapon system. An advanced network of offensive and defensive technologies that transforms these ships into self-sufficient fortresses. From missile defense to precision strike capabilities, these systems ensure unparalleled combat readiness in even the most contested environments. The weapon system comprises 50 caliber machine guns, a formidable asset in aerial combat scenarios. They fire 50 caliber rounds at a rapid rate. These weapons have an effective range of up to 2,000 meters, with a cyclic rate of 550 to 850 rounds per minute. The muzzle velocity reaches approximately 2,900 feet per second, and its armor-piercing capabilities make it ideal for engaging ground and air targets. Among the most vital layers of shipboard defense employed by the U.S. Navy is the Close-In Weapon System, or CIWS. A rapid response shield designed to intercept imminent threats. This radar-guided Gatling gun serves as the ship's final line of defense against incoming anti-ship missiles and hostile aircraft. Capable of firing up to 4,500 rounds per minute, the CIWS unleashes a dense wall of projectiles to neutralize targets at close range, typically within 1 to 2 nautical miles. On the ship's fantail, sailors engaged in the critical task of reloading ammunition into the Close-In Weapon System, or CIWS. With utmost precision, they handle the munitions, carefully inserting them into the designated slots. Adhering to strict safety protocols, they swiftly replenish the system's supply, ensuring a continuous defensive capability against incoming threats. Each round is meticulously loaded, ensuring compatibility with CIWS's rapid-fire mechanism. The sailors work swiftly yet methodically, guaranteeing a steady supply of munitions to sustain the system's defensive capabilities. Upon successfully loading the Phalanx close-in weapons system, sailors stand ready to conduct CIWS Phalanx automated control fire. With their hands steady and minds focused, they activate the automated control system, enabling the CIWS to track and engage incoming targets autonomously. This capability ensures a swift response to potential threats, bolstering the ship's defense. The Navy also conducts Detect to Engage DTE exercise to assess the Phalanx close-in weapons system's effectiveness against low-flying aerial threats. During these exercises, the ship's automated radar tracking system is put to the test. Detecting the P-8 Poseidon and providing real-time data to the Phalanx close-in weapons system with unparalleled precision. Upon identification, the system engages with a burst of rapid-fire projectiles, neutralizing the target with exceptional speed and accuracy. The DTE test challenges the CIWS to defend against low-flying threats at varying speeds and altitudes. Helping to defend ground forces from attacking enemy forces can be accomplished by unusual aircraft, even cargo aircraft. Developed as a heavily armed ground attack aircraft variant of the renowned C-130 Hercules transport plane, the AC-130 combined the expertise of Lockheed in airframe production with Boeing's mastery in aircraft conversion and support. The AC-130 gunship boasts remarkable dimensions and a crew that orchestrates its formidable capabilities. With a crew complement of 13, the AC-130 is divided into officers and enlisted personnel.
Fire sensors ready. Sensor confirms. On two. On two.
Totaling 5 officers responsible for piloting, navigating, fire control, and electronic warfare.
Target line 144 degrees magnetic.
Along with 8 enlisted individuals handling tasks such as flight engineering, operating the TV and infrared systems, as well as managing the aircraft's weaponry. The aircraft spans an impressive 97 feet and 9 inches in length, while its wings extend to 132 feet and 7 inches in wingspan. Standing tall at 38 feet and 6 inches and with a wing area of 1,745 square feet, the AC-130 holds its weight at 122,400 pounds when loaded. With a maximum takeoff weight of 155,000 pounds. Powered by 4 Allison T56A15, each generating 4,910 shaft horsepower. The AC-130 is a pinnacle of performance. As it takes to the skies, the gunship reaches a maximum speed of 260 knots. It spans its operational reach over vast distances, covering a range of 2,200 nautical miles. Ascending to its service ceiling of 30,000 feet, the AC-130 thrives in its operational domain.
Good to continue.
The AC-130 gunship's true might lies in its weaponry and firepower.
Lima Charlie 72, Shadow 71 continuing.
Southwest.
Armed to the teeth, it carries 40mm and 105mm cannons alongside a 25mm Gatling gun. The AC-130 demonstrates its versatility by unleashing 105mm rounds, each weighing approximately 50 pounds. These rounds pack a massive punch, generating a recoil of around 43 inches with a force exceeding 14,000 pounds. This advanced armament equips the gunship with the capability to deliver accurate and devastating firepower precisely where it's needed most.
Approaching 300 meters from the east.
The capabilities of the AC-130 don't just rest on its specifications and firepower. Meticulous pre-flight checks and precise loading of weapons and missiles play a pivotal role in its operational readiness. Behind the scenes, dedicated weapons load crews shoulder the responsibility of loading and meticulously maintaining the aircraft's formidable arsenal. These skilled personnel are entrusted with the critical task of ensuring that the AC-130 is armed to its fullest potential. Proficiency is key in the world of military aviation, and weapon load crews of the 1st Special Operations Wing uphold this standard through regular evaluations of their skills. Every 2 months, these crews are put to the test, ensuring that their expertise is finely honed and their performance remains top-notch. Going above and beyond, units within the operation hold quarterly competitions that showcase the prowess of their weapon load crews. These competitions not only foster a spirit of healthy competition, but also highlight the dedication and skills of the top-performing teams within the AC-130 program. While the AC-130 dominates the skies with overwhelming firepower and precision support from above, the mission continues closer to the ground, where the Boeing AH64 Apache takes over, bringing agile, lethal force to the battlefield with unmatched maneuverability and striking power. Equipped with an M230, 30mm cannon, Hydra 72.75-inch rockets, and Hellfire missiles, the Apache is made to destroy armor personnel and material targets regardless of battlefield conditions. Thanks to its build, the helicopter can provide security to ground forces, fixed-based operations, and aerial escorts, just a few of its primary missions. Boeing calls the weapon system a network-centric system that is fully integrated and specifically built to dominate in highly contested and complex battle spaces. It is an agile and lethal helicopter to provide range, mobility, and performance. The AH64 Apache is in production until at least 2028, allowing it to serve the United States military for many more years. From the towering decks of aircraft carriers to the precision firepower of AC-130 gunships and the lethal agility of Apache helicopters, the U.S. military's layered defense strategy reflects an unyielding commitment to protecting its forces and projecting power across every domain. That's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any of our new content. See you next time.